Welcome to this tutorial about removing holes in Altair SimLab. In this tutorial, you will see how to quickly remove blind holes and through holes from meshed bodies. This process is similar to removing holes on parasolid CAD geometry, but here the holes are only removed from meshed bodies. First, a SimLab file will be opened. The model file included with this tutorial can be downloaded and then opened by dragging and dropping into Altair SimLab. To remove the hole seen here, navigate to the Remove Holes tool. This is located in the Geometry ribbon, Body section, Feature, Hole. The menu for removing holes opens. Three different options are available to remove holes. First is the Selected Holes option, which allows the holes for removal to be selected directly on the meshed body. With the Local Remesh option selected, Altair SimLab removes this hole and generates a nice mesh in its place. Notice that the face selector has automatically changed to the Cylinder Cone option for easier selection of the blind and through holes. The second option is holes identified by radius. For this body, the minimum radius can be set at 0 and the maximum radius set at 4. All holes with a radius between 0 and 4 will be removed. Make sure to select the meshed body with the holes to be removed. The third option is to select all holes. Altair SimLab will identify all through holes and blind holes and remove them in the selected body. Specific holes can be chosen to be excluded from the selection so that they remain in the body. This completes the tutorial. Thank you for viewing.